Hi, my name is Jeff Gant, and I'm the founder and CEO of Polaris Mobility. And this is just a quick little demonstration on our abilities to integrate into an interactive text response system and an interactive voice response system. For this demonstration, we've actually used a middleware called Twilio to be able to support these efforts. And we're leveraging our open and RESTful ride creation APIs. And so without further ado, I'm going to start by getting in and calling our 800 number to be able to create a ride through voice. So the first thing I'm going to do is, you can see on the right-hand side, I'm going to launch my phone app, and I'm going to call this RideBot IVR that we've got staged here.
Hi, thanks for calling Polaris Mobility. You can say things like, I need to schedule a ride, or I'd like to check the status of my ride.
I need to schedule a ride.
I'd love to help you schedule a ride. To get started, what is the name of the rider?
Benjamin Gant.
Where's your appointment?
Northside Hospital.
Where should you be picked up?
2184 Park Avenue, Smyrna, Georgia, 30080.
What day is your appointment?
Wednesday, May 13th,
What time is your appointment?
3 p.m.,
What time would you like to be picked up?
2 p.m.
Should I schedule this as a round trip?
Yes.
Do you know when your appointment will be over?
No.
Do you need special assistance? You can say now, wheelchair or ambulance.
Wheelchair.
Do you need special assistance? You can say now, wheelchair or ambulance.
Wheelchair.
I've scheduled a ride to your 1500 hours appointment on May 13th, 2020 from undefined Park Avenue Southeast to 3255 Piedmont Road, Me.
Okay, so we've just created the ride there. And again, that flow and workflow can be configured and customized based off of need. And if we do a quick search here, let's just do a search on Benjamin and find and see if that ride has been assigned. So we'll pop in here. And look at our assigned rides. Okay, so the voice needs a little bit of work, but you can see Benjamin Guinness, and there's my scheduled A leg and my will call B leg, and it's been automatically assigned to the best transportation provider. So that was the IVR flow. Again, it's going to be customized for each customer requirement, but you can see that essentially it works with our APIs. The second demonstration that I'm going to do is through text, interactive text response. And we showed a few things around being able to send proactive text messages, but this is actually interacting from a text message perspective. So I'm going to bring back up the phone again, and I'm going to launch my text application on my iPhone. And we're going to do a quick search here by starting a new conversation with our RideBot. And we're going to go RideBot ITR, interactive text response. And again, this flow can be customized as well, but I'm going to go ahead and enter in book a ride. And you can see my response. So this has come from Twilio, sent from your Twilio trial account. I'd love to help you schedule a ride. To get started, what's the name of the rider? And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put in the name. Okay, where is our appointment? I'm going to go ahead and put in our location. I'm going to enter in our address for pickup. It's asking me what day is our appointment. I'm going to say today. What time is our appointment? So I'm going to say that it's going to be at 8 p.m. What time we'd like to be picked up? We'll say 7 p.m. And then it's asking me if this should be a round trip ride, creating an scheduled A leg and a will call B leg, and I'm going to say yes. It's asking if I know when my appointment will be over. Typically, patients don't typically know, so they can just say no. So it'll create that B leg as a will call. Do we need any special assistance? So I'm just going to say no. Should create an ambulatory ride. So hopefully we'll get confirmation. And there we go. Sent from your Twilio account. I've scheduled a ride to your appointment on this date and time. And again, this can be formatted. And so we should be able to go out there and see that ride. So if I flip off of the driver of the ITR flow, and again, just do a quick search for me. Let's do a quick refresh here. We'll see that the assigned rides went up by 2. And now if I do a search on Jeff, you can see that there's my scheduled A leg and my will call B leg. So again, whether it is through an Amazon Alexa skill, whether it's through a ride bot, whether it's through ITR or IVR, you can see that at scale, we can go out and we can push out these flows to be able to pass the data into our API that creates the ride. So whatever the experience that you desire, whether it's interactive voice response, interactive text response, a web form, a mobile application, we are able to support each of those as part of those interactions with your riders and patients. Thank you so much for your time.